Hello everybody, I am Preeti, you are watching Boldsky. Today I am presenting another healthy juice recipe which will be a brilliant remedy for curing menstrual cramps. During periods, most of the women and young girls suffer from painful menstrual cramps and feel less energetic as well. So today we bring to you energetic beetroot juice recipe which will not only prevent menstrual cramps but also increase the iron content in the blood. It is generally recommended for women to drink this beetroot juice before the onset and during menstruation. Since periods mean excessive blood loss, this will make women so drained and weak. Beetroot juice will help replenishing the lost iron content in the body and helps in improving the blood count and blood flow. Iron is an essential component of the red blood cells and it is responsible for supplying oxygen to all the different parts of the body. This juice relieves the women during those days. So come, let's get started with this. And the ingredients which are required to prepare this beetroot juice are beetroot and jeera powder. First, we will take the beetroot, peel its skin, and cut it into small pieces. We will add the chopped beetroot into the juicer. Then we will add half a spoon of jeera powder into the juicer along with half a cup of water. We will now close the lid of the juicer and grind the ingredients. Now take a bowl and strainer to filter the smoothie to get the juice. Transfer the juice into a glass and enjoy its health benefits and sway the painful cramps away. So ladies, now you know how to combat the painful menstrual cramps naturally. So try this juice and give us your feedback as well. Thank you so much for watching our video. See you all.